This guy over here makes more than $10,000 a month with just one app. And I'm talking about this kid over here on the left that's making the peace sign. So, who are we talking about? We're talking about Aditya on Twitter. So, more specifically, Aditya Builds. He's building apps on his agency or website, whatever it's called, which is called glassroomstudio.com. So Aditya, just a normal kid. He got accepted into Stanford and he's studying over there. Obviously, everyone knows what Stanford is, where it is. It's a very popular university in the United States. And while being in Stanford, Aditya learned a lot of stuff. Obviously, being surrounded with really smart people and learning from the best teachers. But that's one thing. That's on the university side. And for him specifically, with coding or with school or anything that he's doing in life, his life motto or the way or the way he likes to live his life is this basically summarized into this. And he's saying that you need only two skills: one, figure things out, and two, get them done. Only these two things: figure them out, get them done. So going along with this, figure them out and get them done, Aditya did not know how to code. Aditya did not know how to code. That's what he's saying over here himself. He learned coding just a couple of weeks. Like he's saying, a couple of weeks he did not know any coding prior to that. And after learning, some basics of coding and some basics of computer science, he decided to actually try to use AI for coding, and he was blown away. He was like, "Wow! Like the amount of time that I could save by using AI is crazy." He's saying that he the work that would take an hour for him to do with normal coding without AI can be done in only 45 seconds. So knowing this, Aditya did not know how to code, and Aditya just is starting to learn how to code and is starting to use AI. Started to immediately build things, and he built something that he started to tease on Twitter with one of his partners called Savio Martin. And here's the app. Just a couple of days later, he showed the app to the world, and it's called Glow AI. So what Glow AI is specifically, it's an app that lets you take a picture of yourself, and then an AI gives you feedback on how you look. If your skin's good, if you have acne, then it'll give you some product recommendations and some a skincare routine. So really an AI wrapper for your face that just gives you feedback and how to proceed if you want to have a better looking face. So after releasing, his app got super popular, as you can see from this chart over here. It got to the fifth spot on the iOS App Store. So this is the free apps on the iOS App Store. Although it's not free, it's still ranked as free because when you install the app and you do all the onboarding and everything, it's locked behind a paywall, so you still have to pay to use the app. But still, the fifth place, just below Pinterest, T-Mobile, and Lemonade. I think this is from TikTok. So Glow AI on the top charts just a couple of days after it was released. And here it is himself sharing this dashboard that he's saying that, hey, just a couple of days after releasing my app, I'm making $10,000 a month, and I have almost 32,000 users on my app. So that is crazy. That is crazy for just a couple of days after launching. So how did he do it? What's that's the ultimate question everyone's wondering, like, how did you do it? Okay, you built an app. Everyone knows that you have to code and you have to design to build an app, but how did you actually achieve massive success and all of these downloads in just a couple of days? And here's the answer. He is saying that distribution is king. Distribution is king. That's it. Unless you can build something that's so amazing that people just want to go and try it themselves. But if you're not building like the next Tesla or the next Apple or the next Microsoft, then what you have to rely on is distribution. So what I mean by this distribution is king is how you market the app, how you show the app to the world. Because there's so many apps that are being built every day. What can you do to actually market your app and show the app to the world? So this guy on Twitter actually did some research and found out how specifically Aditya with Glow AI, his app, how did they manage to actually get so many users and $10,000 of monthly recurring revenue every month. So what they did is actually they used TikTok. They partnered with influencers to actually market their app. So they while they might have partnered with more than two influencers, over here on this guy's research, he looked at the two most performing videos. So one of the creators they partnered with, their video that market the app made 2.3 million views, just one video, and another video from another influencer made 3.6 million views, which is a lot of views. So if you combine these two, it's about 6 million views that is showing your app to the rest of the world. So what's exactly inside these TikTok videos? It's basically sketches. This guy is making a sketch of how people are making fun of him because he has bad skin, and then when he goes outside, people are just looking at him and bullying him, and he's always wondering that how can I make my face better, my face look better, and then he discovers this app which is Glow AI. When he uses it, he gets a score, and the app tells him that, hey, you have some improvements to do, and then the app recommends him a skincare routine and some products to use. And after he uses the products and does the skincare routine, he gets a clean face, a clear looking face, and then everyone likes him. Pretty simple but effective way to market your app. So then after Glow AI, Aditya built another product, which is TikTok transfer. So basically, while this is not happening right now, but TikTok was supposed to be banned at some point in early 2025, but it didn't happen. But while this was going, TikTok, everyone was being like, "Oh, TikTok's gonna get banned," and this whole news was hyped. So what Aditya did, he actually built a product around this hype. He went ahead and just thought, "Hey, if TikTok's gonna get banned, people might not want their videos to be deleted while TikTok also gets deleted." So he built an app around that so that you could go inside, find your account through your username, and then download all your videos. So pretty smart. He's using the hype and building a product around that, and to make his product successful. So that's it for Aditya. Pretty nice journey so far. So key thing key thing that I think we should repeat, like Aditya, if we're taking the example of Aditya, he didn't know how to code. He's just figuring things out and then getting them done. And that's a clear example of this quote over here, or this tweet over here. He built an app, he scaled it to 32,000 users, and you know around the TikTok hype, he built another product and try to make that successful. Sometimes your products don't get that success rate that you want, but that's okay. That's okay. You shoot your shots, and then a lot of them will be missed, but some will be hits, and when they hit, they will hit, and hopefully they will hit really hard, like the one with Glow AI, like a hit that Aditya produced when he launched Glow AI. But that's it. thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, then consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.